Identify your expertise, build it up with your digital skills, and turn your expertise into your career. Indian youths and talent have very high demand around the globe. Indian youth's skill competency is the prime source for making it happen. Bikasit Bharat Built by Skills campaign is a vital initiative which ensures our students are equipped with the relevant industry skills and make sure that they grab a fantastic career. Future Skills Prime is an invaluable partner which provides resources, courses, and helps students and professionals to upscale themselves to the next level. In HAARA, we help students to meet industry's expectation by digital skilling along with our offline, online, and hybrid classroom programs. There were thousands of individuals who trusted us in turning them as successful software engineers, FullStack developers, AI/ML engineers, data scientists, or analysts. Are you interested to become a software engineer, FullStack developer, AI machine learning engineer, or data analyst or data scientist? We shall help you.